Partner Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California, where you're always welcome and I always love having you here. So today's Friday and restaurants are not yet open in San Diego where we are, but we're still gonna go down the street. We're gonna grab some takeout sushi. We'll bring it back to the house, maybe have it out on the deck or the terrace and just kind of enjoy ourselves. So I figured that what would be nice is to make a nice, quick, healthy dessert. I'm gonna whip it up really fast and it's only 4 ingredients, that's it. My 4 ingredient Matcha Chia pudding. I'll say it again. 4 ingredient Matcha Chia pudding. It's super fast, super healthy, but here's the deal. You're going to want to make it in advance because it does take a little while to set up, probably 3 to 4 hours. So that's why I'm making it right now. All right, for you. So this is light, easy, healthy. This is all you're going to do. You're going to take, I will put the recipe down in the video description, so you'll have it. All right, so you're just gonna start with a bowl, and I'm gonna put 1 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You can use any nut milk that you like. I just like using this because it has a little bit of vanilla flavor to it, and it's unsweetened, it's healthy, and it's light, so I like doing that. You're going to take 2 teaspoons of matcha green tea powder, and ladies, I will put links to everything, to some of the more difficult ingredients that may be defined in the video description so that you have them if you need them. All right, oops. And then I also use this organic liquid sweetener. It's monk fruit. It's 0-calorie liquid sweetener, no sugar. We're big on no sugar. And I do about a teaspoon. I kind of eyeball it. I mean, that's about a teaspoon. And then just taste it and see if it's what you like. And now you're just gonna give it a good whisk, right? Just to make sure that all of the lumps are out of the matcha tea. And this is only 4 ingredients, and of course any toppings that you like to put on it. I usually like to put berries, some chopped almonds, and a little unsweetened coconut. It just makes it kind of pretty. Now ladies, you are going to want to make this in advance because it does take a little while to set up, all right? So it takes about 3 to 4 hours to set up. That's why I'm making it this morning so that it'll be ready for Oliver and I after dinner tonight, all right? So I'm just going to mix that up. I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of black chia seeds. Now I found that the general ratio that I like in terms of the consistency is about 1/2 cup of liquid to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now you can do more or less depending on how thick you like it. This is going to give it more of like a nice thick-ish pudding consistency. So I'm doing a 1/4 cup of black chia seeds and I'm just going to pour them in there. And this is it. I'm gonna give it a good whisk. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I'm gonna come back in maybe an hour and I'm gonna give it another stir because this looks very liquidy, but you guys, chia seeds really suck up and absorb the water. So believe me, this is gonna be totally fine. When you come back to stir it, it's going to seem, the chia seeds are gonna seem like they're coagulating and sticking together. That's totally normal, and that's why we're coming back to stir it. So, give it a quick stir. That's it. And watch, I'm gonna show you what it looks like afterward. This is how easy it is. This is we're gonna put it in the fridge. Been working all day on that dessert. Come back, meet me here in 3 hours and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay ladies, the green matcha chia seed pudding has been chilling out in the fridge for about 4 hours, so I'm just going to take it out. And there it is, nice, green, puddingy, super healthy. Hey, Oliver is on his way down. He's just gonna pick up the sushi, it's just down the street. He grabs his bike and goes down to get it. I'm going to dish us up a little of our dessert and open a bottle of wine. I think that sounds good. So I love putting it in just like these cute little ramekins. I just think they're adorable. And now you can dress this up any way you like. I like to put some berries. Raspberries work wonderfully with this also, but just put a few blueberries, any kind of a berry that you have in the house that you like. Some chopped almonds are always good. And to brighten it up a little bit, I just give a little sprinkling of coconut. And that is the dish. I serve it with what Oliver calls a little lady spoon, which is the demi-tasse spoon. I don't know, it just feels extra dollhouse-like. And it's so good. Okay.
It's good. If you like matcha chia, you will like this.
Super delicious. The recipe is down in the video description. And for all things health, wellness, beauty, fitness, and healthy living, be sure to visit me on the blog, AmyParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.